AI is moving faster than you think. And the people who learn these 5 tricks now will make more money in 2026 than entire companies. This isn't motivation. This is strategy. Let me show you the shortcuts that nobody is talking about. First, you need to clone your skills with AI and sell them 24/7. You used to trade hours for money. Not anymore. With AI, you can clone your skills and sell them automatically. Think about it. ChatGPT plus 11 labs, plus a simple website can turn just one single idea into a 24/7 income stream. You can automate customer support. You can create entire voiceover packages. You can build AI-written blogs or sell automated templates. One skill becomes a full-fledged business. And one business becomes a source of passive income. Next, let's talk about AI money videos with zero face, zero voice, and zero editing. This is hands down the most viral niche right now. Faceless AI channels. The process is simple. You write one script. AI reads it for you. Then, AI generates the visuals. You upload daily. That's it. Motivation channels, business stories, tech news, billionaire facts. People are blowing up from 0 subscribers to millions with nothing but AI automation. It's an incredible opportunity that's just getting started. The third trick is the $500 a day as side hustle that nobody seems to notice yet. Here's the secret. Small businesses don't know how to use AI, but they are desperate to. So you offer one simple service: AI automation for local businesses. You can automate their customer questions, their bookings, their social media content, and even their Google reviews. You can charge $250 to $500 per month for each business. Get just 10 clients, and you're already at $3,000 to $5,000 monthly. This works in every single city. Number 4 is creating viral digital products with artificial intelligence. Digital products are going to explode in 2026. Think about AI-generated ebooks, automation guides, Notion templates, or marketing systems. The beauty of this is you create it once, and you can sell it forever. AI can write 80% of it for you. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy do all the selling. You just sit back and collect the payments. It's the ultimate work smarter, not harder business model. Finally, the 5th trick is the invisible brand that makes you money while you sleep. The biggest creators in 2026 are going to be invisible. They'll be faceless. They'll be automated. They don't build personas. They build content systems. AI scripts, plus AI voices, plus AI visuals. Posting 30 times a day across every platform equals exponential reach. This is the new way to build an empire, without ever being seen. So, if you want to dominate 2026, don't just watch AI. Use it. These 5 strategies can make you your first online income or your first million depending on how hard you go. Follow GringoTV, because I'm about to drop the next level.